ของเราใหม่หลังใหม่นะอ่ะ
Oh, another what? This is what? Takrao, I believe. A rather large complex. And we've got monkeys again as well. Lots of monkeys. I don't really know where I'm going. I'm just going to have a look up. Before I go up, I'll have a quick look through. Let's have a look at the amulets while we're here. Oh, the dog's not happy with my presence. Stickers, amulets. We'll have a walk round the front. Of the temple. Yeah, it's pretty early still. 9ish. As you can see, it's a very big complex if I pan round. Lots of different buildings, but since I've not been here before, I don't know where's the ones to go. Now, if you see, we've got steps going up. See, again, I was saying earlier about being too early for things. All of the upasots are still closed off. I don't know if it's because of the monkeys, maybe. Because I've got a feeling these would literally just go in anywhere. Right. So if you look, we're surrounded by monkeys. And we've got a rather big staircase going up. Why not? Bit of cardio. Monkeys to the left of me, monkeys to the right. Old staircase going up there. Not sure where that goes. Got a really angry looking cat here. Please don't bite me. I'm not sure if cats must be able to carry rabies. I guess feline AIDS would be worse. Bit of cardio. No idea what this is. As you might be able to tell from the heavy breathing, I've got a bit of a cold at the moment. Now it looks like they've got a non-working furuncular, I believe they're called. Used to be the thing in Victorian times at the British seaside for getting down to beaches and seafronts where there were steep cliffs. They'd build one of them. I'm trying to think where I've seen some back in the old country. Lovely old temple there. I've got a sweat on now, I can tell you. At least we're at the top. From the looks of things. Ooh. Boy. Don't want to disturb the dog. Let's see, so I'd imagine the fencing is to stop the monkeys. If you look there, you've got a beautiful view of the surrounding countryside. If I try and put you through the fence, I believe the town you can see in the distance, the buildings, I think that's going to be Petchaburi, I believe. So I think that's where we are. Our Buddha footprint, and I did remember my coins as well from the Khao. And we'll leave a couple of coins for our onward travels today. Right, I think it's going to be shoes off to have a look inside the Ubasot, so just bear with me. Ooh. Smooth. Oh, I've got a sweat on. So here we are. That's not something you see every day. That's not a real skeleton. I mean, I'm no doctor, but that's not a real skeleton. But let's sort up we want. Right, so what we've got is some heavily gold-leafed iconography, seating Buddha, standing Buddha, beautiful examples. Take you up a bit so you can drink that all in. Beautiful. Trying to get you the full 360 without falling over. So there we are. Worth the climb. Worth the climb. Definitely. And if that clock's to be believed, it's 20 to 11. That's a bit later than I thought it was. Oh, I never noticed that because I had the scary Rottweiler type mangy dog about to attack me out there, but if you look, I'm not sure if you can see through the fence there, there's a little reclining Buddha there in a tiger pose. There's an evil dog with a huge open welt on the side of its body, who didn't like me disturbing his peace. It's understandable, really. Got another beautiful decorated stupa there. It's all locked up. You look, I'm not sure if you can see at the top there, it's very difficult to see, but got small windows at the top and there's iconography inside. But we'll go and see if we can have a look at there without getting try and get you back level without getting bitten. Run. Yes, I'm assuming that all the fencing's for the various animals. Well, I guess you've got to be in tune with nature, haven't you? I guess. 11 minutes already. Right, let's have a short break. I'll get my shoes back on. I'll see you in a minute. Now we're back outside. I didn't get mauled to death, luckily, but it's still early days. I just wanted to show you that my mind's gone blank. The stupa, the one that we saw through the window, but probably not very well. I thought it looked quite nice. But yeah, as I say, everything's locked up because of the nature. Monkeys, dogs, all sorts. I mean, as you can see, it's very much a working temple. There's lots of outbuildings. Oh, this must be, yeah, look, this is the back of the furuncular that doesn't appear to be in use. Maybe only in high season. And that looks like a service trolley. I'm not sure you see through the trees there. It's not been used in a while for bringing materials up for repairs or fixing things, building. Jiminy Christmas, I've got a sweat on. Mind the piles of feces. I mean, again, it's in a bit of a state of disrepair. And as you can see, lots of the stairs are cracked and broken. A beautiful old temple there. I can't see the value in going and looking. No, sod it, we're here. We'll go and have a look. I was going to say, I doubt there's anything to see because it would be locked up and protected like the other buildings here, but you never know. There might be something worth seeing. No, it looks like it's a big negatory. No, it's been cleaned out. But a nice structure nonetheless. Maybe once upon a time this was an old route down. I'm not sure I want to... No, fuck it. In for a penny, in for a pound. The road less travelled and all that nonsense. That one they've not cleared out. There's a seated Buddha in there. Now let's see, because I don't particularly... Ooh, should I risk it? Should I risk it? No, I'll tell you for why. Because as I'm sure I've alluded to before, there just seems to be steps everywhere leading off into the bush. Yeah, you know, I joke about rabies from the monkeys, but you know, I wouldn't want to disturb one of the larger and venomous snake species they have here. You know, such as a king cobra, sunning himself, and I happen to touch his tail. So, right, I'm going to switch off because it's just the downward now, which will be boring. I just thought I'd pop you back on so you can witness if I get attacked by a whoop of monkeys. I'm not sure what the collective noun is for these particular kind of simians. I'm sure a pack of these bad boys on you would do some damage. You'd definitely lose some extremities, maybe an eye, maybe an ear, possibly the end of your nose. It would not be pretty. So right, I'm not sure what else is here, to be honest with you. So I'll probably just have a wander around, and if anything comes to light, I'll switch you on.